What is going on, guys? It's all in day 144. Let's go over today's price action. Another day where opportunity was just not presenting. For the most part, it was looking bullish at the time. Now it's bearish on the hourly, but coming into open, we were inside this hourly gap here, and we were rejecting. And was looking to see price move out of that. Of course, if price want to come lower, that would have been fine too. But even then, I couldn't find setups on the lower time frame. So things were aligning and looking good on the higher time frame. NQ as well was inside this hourly gap and seeing how I was going to respect. So we opened right here, taking out this hourly low right here, and then moving up. And this is exactly what I wanted to see right out of this hourly gap. And so we broke structure on NASDAQ, came down and retraced and tapped into equilibrium, right? So we came into this discounted price and came right out of it. NASDAQ was presenting well. It was ES that wasn't. So what I wanted to see, right, from ES was confirmation to the upside. ES also did the same, right? Had open, came down, swept these lows right here inside the hourly, came up out of it, and then failed to break structure. But all I really needed to see from ES is a 1 minute break of structure. So once we got that confirmation, it was at, let's see here, came down, and then we actually made SMT at the lows too. Totally forgot about this. So 940, and then yeah. So you see NASDAQ inverse the gap and then also broke structure to the upside. By that time, NASDAQ was already taking those highs and didn't even want to try to chase that because ES was failing to inverse any type of gap here. There was no gaps to inverse. There was no break of structure until 948. At 948, we had took these highs. So if there was some type of inverse right here coming from ES, we've absolutely taken this trade. It was looking good. We could have targeted these highs, but it didn't play out that way. ES was, you can see on the 1 minute, it just looks choppy. The 5 minute looks choppy, and then all of a sudden we made the SMT at the highs and we just started dumping. And I couldn't even find an entry while I was dumping. The entry was at 955, and that would have been here. Could have entered on that, but by that time I was already looking away, already looking for the next day because this was just not looking good to me. Didn't print exactly how I expected it to. My setup did come in and present, but an entry was just not there. Like I said, I needed ES to break some type of structure, inverse a gap, for me to confirm that orders want to move higher. So there was no gap in between here, and I don't really use, there's a change of character, I guess, here, but I don't even use that. So yeah, nothing from me today. Fortunately, I mean, we got a setup going, but nothing that I could use. And even at, like, this was the 940 candle right here on ES. What is even that? And then we came down, made the SMT, moved higher. So yeah, ES did not present. But that being said, guys, I mean, it's just been very slow, and I've been very cautious and careful with what kind of trades I take and the setups that I do take, because honestly, there's no point of risking any type of money or capital on price action that is like this. Like, we've gotten straight barcode for the past couple of days, couple of market opens, and it's just not It's not looking good. I might have to not switch, but just peep at Asia, because I feel and I see that Asia it's been a bit better. It's been a bit better than New York very recently, so we might just have to check it out. But that being said, guys, I don't really have much to bring to the table today. It was just one of those days. Honestly, I wasn't even looking to trade. So, anyways, I will see you tomorrow. Peace.